contestant number uno, and she is contestant number duh, which is 2 for French. Okay, so we're gonna eat a freaking jalapeno, and this is gonna be our 3rd freaking one because I was too pussy to eat the other one, like the whole thing. So we're gonna do the whole shit now. Oh. Okay, look here. Okay,
Are we both
okay,
doing
yeah, I don't think it
at the same
matters
time,
who goes fastest. Cause it's gonna take time, man.
at the same time, or
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I wanna see who cries first.
Wait. It's burning my throat as you speak.
I was like starting over here.
I think I'd be down for another one.
I wasn't that hot.
That was a little bit hot for me, especially my throat.
Well, actually, it's kind of getting there.
Are you down for another one?
You're
Oh,
gonna
the little ones!
There's
Yeah?
2, right?
Okay. Are they about the same thing?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Ready? Set, go.
Watch them be the spicy ones.
Oh, no, those aren't hot at all. Sorta.
Oh, this is no fun then. I want to
Okay.
see you guys cry.
How about
I think you should just leave them alone.
I think so.
this one? Yeah, I think we're done. Oh, okay, never mind.
Okay, ready?